About 4 weeks later from the first video about this hole. Check this out. Oh my god, this is getting bigger and bigger and deeper. Let's see. Hmm. It's very thick. It's getting wider and wider too. And scarier.